Hello, my name is Tom Reisinger, and I'm running for the position of LMRE Co-op Trustee for District 7, which encompasses Sullivan, Troy, and parts of Jackson, Orange, and Clear Creek Townships. I am 47 years old. I've been a resident of Sullivan for 26 years and married my wife Karen 15 years ago. We have 3 children and a 4th due in June. I have been in the heavy machinery repair business for the past 28 years, the last 17 years of which I've been self-employed, in addition to farming in varying degrees most of my life. Being exposed to all this has given me the perspective that electric power is by far the most important utility we have. I am very concerned about the future of its affordability and reliability over the long term. Some damaging issues affecting our electric rates appear to be blown out of proportion. One example, the percentage of CO2 in our atmosphere is less than 1/2 of 1/10 of 1%. That's minimal in my mind, considering things like population growth, our productivity, and even the conflicts we've fought over the past 150 years. As for the last 150 years, I find it hard to accept that records are as accurate as some people are led to believe. Considering the use of multiple temperature scales like Fahrenheit, Celsius, Kelvin, Rainier, etc., and have these been calibrated globally, and by who? These are things that in my mind are highly questionable. As for the absurd outlook that the ice caps and glaciers melting would cause sea levels to raise drastically, seems unlikely, given almost 70% of the planet is covered in water already. How much of the remaining landmass is covered in ice? About 10%. But I do know ice loses about 1/11 of its volume when it melts. My conclusion, short of a natural disaster, we'll have beachfront property for many years to come. Maintenance and improving equipment has time and again proven to help the bottom line and reliability. No different than any other machine. Less downtime equals productivity. From what I've seen as I drive around, linemen replacing aging poles, lines, transformers, and substation work seems to me money well spent. And I support LMRE's efforts to continue doing so. With this in mind, I think it's essential to continue the efforts of the Co-op Board, which is established to educate members and in turn policymakers so that electric rates stay stable. If elected, I look forward to serving you on the board and learning more about how LMRE functions. I understand there are courses of study that need to be completed to receive one's Cooperative Director Certificate. This is my first experience with any kind of elected position, and I would appreciate your support. Thank you.